Why your business cannot afford to ignore digital marketing. Shitam, what is digital marketing?
Only posting the pictures on the social media platform or anything doesn't mean that you're doing the correct digital marketing.
What happens if we don't do digital marketing?
Like if you don't do digital marketing, so it's more likely that you're leaving money on the table. And it's not like chutta change wala money, it's like a big proper suitcase that you're leaving. Hi everyone, welcome to the another episode of Eat Street Podcast, and I'm your host Mokshita. So guess what? I don't have a guest today because right now I'll be having a co-host who was earlier the guest and now she'll be joining me as a co-host. Anyways, so please meet my brand new co-host Ritika. Okay, she was there for the last one, but now she's stuck with me. So Ritika,
Hey, thanks Mokshita for introducing me. I was like honestly surprised that I was guest here last time. I thought it would be done, but now, right now, I'm a co-host. I guess I'm good with my work, or Moksha just want me to laugh at her
no, I
jokes.
didn't wanted her to go. I just closed the door that you're gonna be with me now.
And today also we are matching, so
Yeah. Okay, so today's episode is going to be spicy, relevant, and very informative because we're going to talk about
why your business cannot afford to ignore digital marketing. I mean, posting a random stuff and only doing a good vibe video is not gonna sell your business.
Exactly.
So you need to have digital presence to have your business presence in today's world. So Mokshita, what is digital marketing?
Like everyone knows, making the online presence of your business on any kind of social media platform is digital marketing. But doing so only including only posting the pictures on the social media platform or anything doesn't mean that you're doing the correct digital marketing. So that would be the agenda.
Absolutely, having a social media account is not enough.
Exactly.
मतलब ऐसा होना कि इन द लाइक सोशल मीडिया होना विदाउट एनी स्ट्रैटेजी इज लाइक डेजर्ट में तुम अपना एक शॉप खोल रहे हो किसी को बता ही नहीं
आसपास
रहे हो
कोई भी नहीं है।
हाँ किसी को बता ही नहीं रहे हो मैंने एक शॉप खोला है किसको पता चलेगा वो उधर जाना है उनको कोई सामान ले रहा है सो बेसिकली यू नीड टू हैव अ स्ट्रैटेजी फॉर अ सोशल मीडिया
देयर आर a lot of steps involved. बहुत सारी चीजें होती हैं SEO, nurturing leads and running ads. A lot of things are involved.
I mean, seriously, everyone is online. Your grandma is also on WhatsApp. You need to start your digital marketing. Like, it's important.
Exactly. Well, that reminds me of a story. So basically, there's one grocery store next to my house, and one uncle runs it. He's probably like 40 above years of age. And one day, on a very random Sunday, I was just scrolling for the best grocery stores near my house. And guess what I found? That uncle is running a website which was ranking on number one. And then I found that he's also having a lot of tie-ups with a lot of business entrepreneurs and running his business on a variety of social media platforms. So basically, I was like, this dude is pulling in lakhs.
Lakhs.
And what time? So thing is that everyone is so aware right now, and they're actually using it.
That gives me one more like example. It's about if you search online about electric vehicle or conventional vehicle,
Electric cars. And all.
yeah. Guess what first thing is gonna be there? Tesla.
Tesla.
Tesla. Right? It does have a strong SEO.
Exactly.
It has
That's the SEO.
strong website, social presence. It's all because of that. And आपको अगर लग रहा है you need to have a big budget or have a good website or social presence, I guess you're wrong. You can start with a small steps.
Exactly. You don't need millions of budget to run a just small Google ad. In fact, small investment can give you impeccable results. You just need, a good strategy.
Let's not forget that your competitor is already online and doing what you think you want to do.
They are actually doing a lot of things behind your back.
So
You don't know.
start your digital marketing. Who's stopping you? Since we are breaking illusion today, I was thinking let's talk about myths around digital marketing.
Yeah, so we'll be bursting some myths. So the number one is that uh, digital marketing is only for big brands.
I don't think so.
No, like it's more beneficial for small businesses because you don't need, even with a small investment, you can target a number of audience. So basically, it would be more beneficial for one who just want to run his business with scratch. You can see a lot of examples.
I mean, take your uncle's example
Take my
only.
uncle's example only.
I mean, he started with a small budget
Very small,
only.
and he just used to run this old Karyana store. So
He
Karyana
converted
store to
that
website and earning in
lakhs.
lakhs, huge amount.
That can be next to you. So, after your first myth, I'm going to talk about the second. You need to be on every social media platform. No, I don't think so. Like, if you want to dominate YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, then you're going to get burned out in the end of the day. It will be like trying to
True.
capture every platform, then you are burned out, your fuel is over, creativity is gone. So you should focus more on audience rather than having
The type
creativity,
of audience you
yeah,
are
rather than
targeting.
quality most of the time. I
Exactly.
mean, look at a nail paint.
Oh, by the way, it was an experiment. So basically, it's an example कि अगर आप हर एक चीज ट्राई करोगे, so this is the what you'll be ending up with up. Okay.
That's why we are saying focus on one platform for now. Then, if you think you are getting a reach there, then try to expand your platform.
All right. So third myth is that it's too technical. Like one thing lives rentless in my mind is that how come people think that digital marketing is a rocket science?
I mean, rocket science is more
I
difficult
mean,
than that.
like, bro, if you can forward a normal WhatsApp message to everybody, then you'll be fine with the basics of it.
I mean, and if you don't understand how to do it, then you can consult a good agency or a company. I mean, right, Mokshita?
Wink, wink.
Wink, wink. Mokshita, I would like to add one more myth.
Yes, please.
Once you start digital marketing, you will see result instantly. I don't think so. Like posting a couple of pics, videos is not gonna give you digital marketing
You have to be
presence.
consistent. Very
Yes,
consistent.
very consistent. I mean, it's not like an instant noodle. You put hot water in 5 minutes, you have your Maggi ready.
It's a slow cooked biryani, I guess.
Yeah, I mean, you need to build your trust, visibility, and brand presence first. Then only people will come to your post, see your post, and you will be in people's algorithm.
Right.
Mokshita, I have a question. What happens if we don't do digital marketing?
Okay, let's be honest. Like, if you don't do digital marketing, so it's more likely that you're leaving money on the table. And it's not like chutta change wala money, it's like a big proper suitcase that you're leaving.
Absolutely. If you're leaving a big cash or a suitcase on the table and you will be like, digital marketing zaruri hai kya? I mean, yes, Ramesh bhaiya, it is.
It is. It is actually very important. Allegedly, like trends change very fast, and if you're not adapting it, you are outdated. It's more like choosing CD players in this Spotify era.
So here is the deal. If you're a solopreneur, a local business, or a big empire in making, digital marketing is essential.
It's very essential. And don't worry if you don't know from where to start or how you're going to do that. Don't panic. We are here for you. You can just follow our page. And in the next episode, we'll be diving into more juicy stuff, which is going to be very informative. So stay tuned for that.
And also, we will love to hear about your digital marketing strategies or any horror stories around it. So come
It could
and
be anything.
it could be anything,
Anything.
yes. So follow us on our Instagram page, E Street, and comment down there. Tell us your stories. Thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.